Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Planning Design. In the previous video we have already discussed about Introduction to the Menu Bar Part 1. Now we are going to discuss Introduction to the Menu Bar, and there are some kind of remaining tools. We will going to discuss all of these tools one by one. We are not going into details because in the upcoming videos we will be going into the details of these, but to have a basic idea in the mind, we will tell you that how these tools are about. Now let's get started. So up till insert we have covered already. So now we are going to start from format. Alright, so we have to go here, and now you can see there are different kind of things like layer tools, colors, line weight, line type, point style, multi-line. Actually, when you have something drawn in your workspace, this can work, this can change. Actually, this is about the format. Just this can change the format of a drawn figure. As currently we don't have anything drawn, so we cannot use this. First of all, we have to draw something. For example, I am going to click on line and specify first point. That is my first point, and I am drawing it randomly. And if I want to exit command, just enter. And if you want to draw something else, for example, I want to draw a rectangle, just click on REC. You can also click from your type command option, just click enter. Now it is asking specify first point. I want to first point here, and I want my second point here. As you can see, these kind of two things. Now we go to format. For example, if we want to change the color of this line from here to here, we just select the line and we go to format, we go to color. From this one you can change the color like that. And also I have set in my as a customized toolbar. You can change the color from here. As you can see, there is an option of color. For example, I want to do it green, I want to do it some kind of else, but first of all you have to select that line and then you can go to change color. And as you can see that the color has been actually I don't know if it is visible to you or not. Actually the color has been already changed. Now if we want to increase its transparency or increase its weight a little bit, I will go here, and as you can see these kind of two options, no, this option, I'm going to here and I just click on that. Now you can see that I have changed the weight from here to 0.35, but this change is not here, as you can see. So first of all I will have to select that line, and now there is an option of line weight display, LW display. You can just click here and the line weight will increase. And in case if you don't have that option there, you can just type on command LW display. LW display. As you can see here, the first option, LW display. You can change it from here. So at the time being, this is that. And there are some kind of other tools, for example, line weight, line transparency, text side. This is one thing I have shown you about the line. And in format you can change anything about text, anything about table and other kind of things, point, style and units, etc. So this is it for format. Now we are going to tools. So in the second one lecture we have already discussed about palettes, workspace, toolbars and clean sheet, these kind of things, as I have already explained these kind of things. But there's one new thing I can show you, that if you are working this coordinate system and you want to change your coordinate system, you could go to new UCS and you can change it from here. As you can see, now the options command are also here. You can go to options from here, and the easiest way to go option is just come up to our workspace and just right click on mouse and just go to options here. Now I have covered tools, and now I am going to draw command. Basically our drawing starts from here, draw command. If we want to draw something new, we can start it from here, as you can see here. So first of all I am going to draw some random lines. For example, the short key is LW. As you can see, the color is here, the color here is green, and the line we are drawing is green. So I am just entering and just go here and I want to change the color by block. And now the color has changed already, as you can see. Now I am drawing a rectangle. As you can see here, I am randomly drawing a rectangle. I have specified my first point, and now it is asking to specify another corner. I am just okay with that, and you can see here the color of rectangle is black here. So these kind of all draw tools we will discuss in the upcoming tutorials one by one completely. And now there is another command of dimension, in case if you want to calculate the dimension of a linear line from here to here, or an angular line, or the radius of a circle, or something like that. You can go to dimension toolbar and calculate it from here. As you can see, I am just calculating a linear dimension from here to here, and I am just, and you can see that sticks with it. You can go to upward and click it here, and now you can see, for example, you zoom in a little bit. As you can see here, this is the dimension in decimal units, as we have not specified the units and limits. So that's it. And in the upcoming videos we will be discussing a separate video about dimension, how to actually do the size of this a little bigger, and these kind of things. So this is all about dimension. And now we go to modify command. There are different kind of options: copy, mirror, offset, trim, and these kind of things. Actually you can use this tab when you have drawn something. Actually it's clear from its option modify. And after modify there are some kind of parametric tools, for example geometric constraints and some kind of other things. Actually we are not going to concern with it in our whole tutorial. And next thing is window. As you can see at the bottom, drawing 1 is opened here, and if we want to open up a new drawing, go to File, Control M, and just open. As you can see here, a new drawing has already been opened. Now if you go to window, it will tell us that you are currently working 2 drawing, and if you want to go from drawing 2 to drawing 1, just click here, you will automatically go here. And now there is another kind of things. AutoCAD will provide online help and offline help, and about AutoCAD, something like that. And at the end there are express tools. Actually I think I am not going to concern with it in this video, but we will discuss these tools one by one in single videos after that. So that's it for today's tutorial, and thank you.